Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking one card, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Aries. So that is for your daily reading, guys. This is for your career situation, Aries, and this is for your love energy, and one card from the oracle guidance. So that is an oracle guidance card, guys. So these cards may or may not relate to our situation, but it is a general guidance. So if we follow that guidance, it will make things go in a better way for us, Aries. Let's start with the daily energy first, guys. So for your daily energy, Aries, it is the Lovers. With this card, guys, in your situation today, if it is something in your career, it may relate to some kind of agreements that you may be signing today, guys, and some things that you are really passionate about. You may see the beginning of that in your career, and you had that optimism and confidence in your situation, guys, that determination to do anything in your situation, and you may feel that you have overcome lots of obstacles and trials to be in this present situation. And in your personal life also, you may have that love and understanding with this person. Maybe for some of you, it may also mean some kind of instability, guys, in your personal life. You may fall in love, fall out of love. There may be a third person involved. So for some of you, it may be a start of a new life, a new romance. But for few of you, it may be with help and hope. It may be just your hope that this relationship may move into something positive. So that is what I see here, guys. So for your career situation, let us see what is the card. It's Two of Wands. So in your career situation, guys, you have come to a position in life. You have made some achievements for yourself, and you are just seeing what you can do in future. So more fortunes and riches are in your future. You are reaching that. That is what I see. So you are seeing success within reach. That is also the energy here, guys. You are waiting to move into the next step you need to take in life, in your career. So what is the card for your relationship? It's a Hangman in reverse, guys, for your relationship, Aries. So this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about them. So they may feel that you are quite selfish, guys. You are not taking their interest into concern, and you don't have any concern on them. You are just in this relationship for fun. Maybe this may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy towards you in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with this card, Aries. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. These cards must be read straight, guys. So it is Arise. This oracle comes with a special message for you, Aries. So in life, you would have felt downtrodden till now. You have been feeling defeated and stressed, undermined or underestimated by others in mind, body and spirit, or even by your own doubts and fears. So it is time. You have had enough in your life. It is time for you to arise, guys. That is what this oracle is about. Feel that optimism and spirit overwhelming you with confidence and determination. So that is what this card is about. So it is time you're reaching success and happiness in life, guys, Aries. So you need to give up all that past hurt and obstacles or stressful memories, whatever you had, and move forward with your life. So that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.